Have you ever wondered what really happens the moment food touches your tongue? It is more than just noticing a flavor. There is a secret ingredient that is absolutely essential for unlocking the full taste experience. Saliva must break down food for taste because our taste buds can only detect chemical compounds that are dissolved in a liquid. Without saliva to dissolve the food, the flavor molecules cannot reach and activate the taste receptors on our tongues, making taste impossible. Think of your tongue as a super sophisticated sensor array. On its surface are thousands of tiny structures called taste buds, and inside these taste buds are specialized taste receptor cells. These cells are designed to recognize specific chemical shapes that we perceive as sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami. For example, sugar molecules bind to sweet receptors, while hydrogen ions from acids activate sour receptors. However, these receptors are not equipped to detect solid pieces of food directly. They need the flavor compounds to be free-floating in a liquid medium. Saliva, which is 99% water, acts as this crucial solvent. It mixes with the food, breaking it down into smaller, soluble particles. These dissolved particles, now in liquid form, can then travel through tiny pores on the surface of the taste buds, interact with the specific receptor cells, and trigger an electrical signal. This signal then travels along nerves to your brain, where it is interpreted as the distinct taste sensation. This entire intricate process, from dissolving to brain interpretation, is called gustation. So, when you take a bite, your salivary glands immediately spring into action, releasing a flow of saliva. Chewing is not just for breaking food into smaller pieces. It also thoroughly mixes the food with this saliva, increasing the surface area for the enzymes in saliva to begin their work. Without this thorough mixing, many taste molecules would remain just trapped within the solid food matrix, unable to reach the taste buds. This mechanical and chemical breakdown ensures that a sufficient number of flavor molecules are available to bind effectively to your taste receptors. The longer food stays in your mouth and is mixed with saliva, the more intense and nuanced the taste can become, as more flavor compounds are released and detected, assuming it is not overwhelmed by other sensations like temperature or texture. This partnership between chewing and salivation is key. Did you know that saliva does not just dissolve food? It also contains important enzymes like amylase and lipase. Amylase starts breaking down complex carbohydrates and starches into simpler sugars even before you swallow, which is why a plain cracker can miraculously start to taste sweet if you chew it long enough. Lipase, on the other hand, begins the digestion of fats. This preliminary breakdown not only vastly improves our ability to taste by releasing flavor compounds, but it also starts the entire digestive process, making it significantly easier for your stomach and intestines to do their job efficiently. So, saliva is not just a passive solvent. It is a multitasking marvel, actively participating in both taste perception and the very first stages of digestion. Ultimately, saliva is the unsung hero of our culinary adventures. It is the essential liquid medium that translates the solid world of food into the rich, complex tapestry of flavors our brains perceive. By dissolving taste compounds and initiating digestion, saliva ensures that every bite is a complete sensory experience, turning mere sustenance into a source of delight. So, next time you enjoy a delicious meal, remember to thank your amazing saliva.